Good morning. We are heading for scalloping season. Another day of scalloping, how about that? This will be our second day going out. We're taking the skis. It is 4:30 in the morning, mainly because the ramp we use only accepts 23 boats. They don't open till 8. But if you're not on line before 7, you're not going to get a spot. But now we're in Central Time. We're going down to Eastern Time, so it's 5:30 down there already. And we have a 45-minute drive down there. So this is our life. When you live 20 minutes from a time change,
it sucks.
It's horrible. Because in our case, we have to get up an hour earlier to go do everything we want to go do.
And then if you have a phone that gets stuck on Eastern Time Zone, I had to go to Port of St. Joe yesterday, and my phone got stuck on Eastern Time Zone. So I get home, I don't think about it or look at it. I set my alarm for 4:30 or 4 o'clock. I get up. By 4:30, Ed's still not awake, and I thought, well, did he change his mind and not tell me? So I go in and I wake him up, and he's like, it's 3:30. I'm like, no, it's not. It's 4:30. He's like, it's 3:30. Yeah, my phone was still stuck on Eastern Time Zone. So sometimes the phones don't even change like they're supposed to. So I was up. Yeah, I've been up since 3 a.m.
Yeah, we got plenty of time this morning. So we aren't in any hurry, so we get to go off. But still, we're going to bring you guys along. I'll put you on my ski and show you the trip out. Hopefully we catch a bunch of scallops again this week if Sandy doesn't play on the camera.
I'm going to play on the camera a lot today.
Okay. Well, she only got half her limit last week because she played on the camera more than she scalloped.
The way I see it, scallop season's to have fun, and I have fun, which I love playing under the water. I do it all the time anyways, but hopefully I'll get a limit today. We'll see if I try.
Well, I said we're going to bring you along, so you'll know. We'll look whose bag is bigger at the end of the day. You're allowed to have 2 gallons of them on the shelf.
What are those boxes?
You're allowed to have 2 gallons of them on the shelf, so we'll see how it goes.
We got here extra early. Now it's 7:10 Eastern Time, and we've been the first ones in line. Just now, the second boat has come up behind us. Last week, it was already, what, 50 boats, 30 boats by now?
Yeah.
So, I don't know, I guess this weekend's not as good. Got the Fish Pro, got my Yamaha. Ed was sitting on a ski. We were kind of just waiting for the sun to come up before we started scalloping, and Ed looks in the water down here and he goes, there's scallop. Well, I'm like, no, there's scallop shell. You're not seeing a live scallop. He goes, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a live scallop. Yep, it was a live scallop, the jerk. Yeah, hasn't even got anything. I can hear me. Yeah, I may not be able to hear you. But you can see how clear it is. So hopefully we'll have you along and get to see some neat stuff under the water. there. Whoop, pick up my bag for me. I was beating him, and that's my bag. That's Ed's bag. I think he stole some from somebody. Okay, we're going to show you how we clean our scallops. First trick, put them on ice. Let them be on ice for about a half hour. You don't want them sitting in water. I'll show you this widescreen. You don't want them sitting down in that water. You just want them on the ice, and they'll start opening up like this one. That way you're not prying a knife in there and having to break the shell. You normally open even more than that, but it's easier.
And everyone opens them a little bit differently.
Yep.
So if you're squeamish, look away, because I'm going to show you how I clean it, and then I will show you how she cleans it. There's always a light side, a dark side of the shell. I go in from the dark side, right behind the eyes, and I cut the scallop, and I open him up. Then I always go counterclockwise, just kind of peel it all the way around. Then I put the knife right at the edge. All the guts come off. Nice clean chunk of meat. Cut it off the shell. Then we throw it in a bag. And now we're going to show you how Sandy
I
cleans
use a
hers.
spoon, and this one's open, and I do the same thing and go in from the dark side. Even though when they're already open, I don't know that it matters a whole lot. Up. Scrape it with the spoon. Now just grab it. There's the meat. That's how I do it.
Easy peasy.